Ssslc വഴി ഇനി തനിയെ തുറക്കാം. Subscribe to the Enclaps channel. Ring the bell button and open success. It's that easy.
Welcome all to the wonders of living world. Before we begin our class, shall we go for a trip? We are going into the countryside where you can see fields and streams. Since it is summer vacation, children are all out. Let's have a look what they are doing. We understand the outer universe by seeing, hearing, touching, tasting and smelling, right? Parrot flew away as it heard the sound. Children are surprised on seeing it and happy as the cold water splashes on their face. Look what the snail does as the child touches it. See the reaction of the child after smelling and tasting the mango. The senses that bring about such reaction are called stimuli. The senses that evoke responses in organisms are called stimuli. Sound, smell, sight, taste and touch. These all are external stimuli. So are there any internal stimuli? Yes. Hunger, thirst are such stimuli. They are the senses that our body feels internally. So we call them as internal stimuli. Every stimuli and responses together form life experiences. What are the activities behind the stimuli and responses? This is what we will be dealing in Unit 1 of Class 10. For the reaction to take place, first the stimuli has to be received and recognized. Who receives these external stimuli? For this, we have specialized organs called the sense organs. For example, eyes. Stimulation related to sight is received by specialized cells in the eyes. They are known as receptors. There are specialized receptors in our tongue too. Messages will be generated as soon as the receptors receive the stimuli. This messages through the nerves reaches the control center. Their stimuli get recognized and response is formed. Hence, receiving the stimuli, sending the messages are continuously taking place in our body. For this, we have a special organ system called the nervous system. What are the parts of a nervous system? You can see there is a network of nerves in our body. Through this, messages will be continuously flowing to and fro. Where do the messages reach? There is a center for coordination and control. Which is the center? It is the brain. A part of the brain extends to the spine and we call it as spinal cord. It also has a role in control and coordination. Now tell me, what are the parts of a nervous system? Brain, spinal cord and nerves. Function of the nerve is to send messages continuously to the brain and spinal cord. By analyzing the messages, the brain decides what action should be taken. In our next class, we will be discussing about the features of the nerves. Until then, bye.
3 ലക്ഷത്തിലേറെ വരുന്ന ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റവും കുറഞ്ഞ ചിലവിൽ സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാൻ ഉടൻ തന്നെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യൂ. Enclaps, the learning app.